Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Pad 5 and let me show you how to add Google account to this device, to this tablet. And so first of all, enroll the settings. Then from main settings list, so from this panel, select account users and accounts. Make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi and select add account. Now choose Google as we want to add Google account. And now mark if you're an adult or teen or child. Then provide your phone number or email address, whatever is connected with your account. In my case, it is email address. As only it is entered, select next. And now it's time to enter the password. As only it is entered, mark next. Okay, so let me re-enter it. Okay, so as I made some typo, I re-enter it, then mark next. And here you've got Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. You can check each smoothly by tapping on the link added here. Mark I agree. And that's it. You can either activate or deactivate backup and mark accept. And that's it. As you can see, your account is added here. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.